Hello everyone. My name is Agate Catchrain. I'm the marketer and growth hacker. So Facebook is making changes on their newsfeed. What does it mean? On January 12th, Mark Zuckerberg wrote, "One of our big focus areas for 2018 is making sure the time we all spend on Facebook is time well spent." On this note, they promise that Facebook will focus on personal connections and companies will have a lot less spotlight. They also forecast that people will spend a lot less time on Facebook. We all understand the importance of connections. But does this mean that you will have less opportunities to reach your customers on Facebook? Short answer is yes. As we understand, ad space will decrease. So basically, since the demand will stay the same but supply will decrease, probably the prices will go up. Will you be able to afford these prices? That's something that you will need to figure out. So the question that we should be asking is, stay with Facebook or go someplace else? These aren't the first significant changes in marketing, and these won't be the last. If you're able to quickly react and adapt to changes, you're amongst the winners who find new solutions for increasing your traffic. Look at this as a challenge that gives you the opportunity to grow as a marketer, since these are alternative tactics that you can use in order to be a winner in this situation. And all the future news you'll need to react upon quickly. Here are some ideas on how to use Facebook for getting traffic. Seeking promotion opportunities on Facebook groups where your target audience hangs out. Focus on your post and ad engagement, gathering both likes and comments for your posts, which will result in potentially higher reach. Create promotions that show up for friends of people who like your page. Try cooperation with personal brands, social influencers who have the same target audience that you have. Controversial topics that spark conversations might be an effective way as well. However, the big picture is that your results from Facebook ads will decrease, and you should look into other options for customer acquisition. If your whole marketing strategy is based on Facebook ads, this might be the time to try out new things. I have prepared a simple checklist on my blog, so if you want to check that out, see the link below. Overall, this is the time to focus on your mobile version of your site, because that will significantly increase your conversions. As the latest years, we can see that the usage of mobile is increasing and it's already above 50%. That is the key factor for increasing your conversions. Changing your mindset in the direction of storytelling, making your brand more personal and more interactive seems to be the right way. As people will interact more with personal experiences, you should work more on gathering positive reviews and testimonials. Use creatives that showcase real people and real experiences. Start cooperation with influencers. Make videos that show experience with your product and your brand. Don't forget to add captions, as many people, especially browsing the internet from mobile, don't use sound. Don't see this as a setback. See this as an opportunity to take your marketing activities to the next level. I'm Agate Catchrain, the marketer and growth hacker. In case you need any help with your marketing activities, get in touch and I will help you grow.